What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, someone your age just made more money in the past hour than most people make in an entire day? And they did it from their bedroom, wearing pajamas, using nothing but a laptop and an internet connection. I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme or cryptocurrency miracle. I'm talking about real people with real skills, building real income streams from home. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they're doing it. But here's the thing that nobody talks about. 95% of people who try to make money online fail miserably. They jump from one method to another, waste months or even years, and end up more broke than when they started. The difference between the 5% who succeed and the 95% who fail isn't luck, connections, or even talent. It's knowing which methods actually work and which ones are complete time wasters. That's exactly why we created this series. Over the next several episodes, we're going to tear apart the biggest myths about making money online and show you the 10 methods that are actually generating serious income for ordinary people right now. First, I'm going to be completely honest with you. Some of these methods can have you earning your first dollar within 24 hours. Others might take 3 to 6 months before you see meaningful income. And a few require you to develop skills that could take a year to master. But here's what makes this different from every other Make Money Online video you've watched. I'm going to tell you the brutal truth about each method. 1. Faceless or personal YouTube channel. YouTube isn't just a platform where people watch cat videos anymore. It's become a legitimate business empire for millions of creators worldwide. The beauty of YouTube is that you have two distinct paths to choose from, and both can be incredibly profitable. First, there's the personal approach. This is where you become the face of your brand. You share your story, your expertise, and your personality. Think about creators like Mr. Beast or Emma Chamberlain. They built empires by being authentic and connecting with their audience on a personal level. When people get to know you and trust you, they're more likely to buy what you're selling, whether that's merchandise, courses, or sponsored content. Then there's the faceless route, which might be perfect if you're camera shy or value your privacy. Channels like Kurzgesagt or Top5S have millions of subscribers without ever showing a human face. They use animations, stock footage, screen recordings, or just compelling narration over visuals. Some of the most viral channels today operate this way. The income potential is truly incredible. I've seen creators go from 0 to 6 figures in their first year. Small channels often start earning a few $100s monthly through ad revenue, but that's just the beginning. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own products, or offering services. Top creators can earn millions annually. The reality check? This isn't passive income initially. Expect to invest 15 to 25 hours weekly creating content. You're essentially building a digital business from scratch. But here's what makes it worth it. Your videos continue earning money long after you publish them. That video you create today could still be generating revenue 5 years from now. Yes, competition is high, but at the same time, there have never been more viewers searching for content, and YouTube's algorithm rewards consistency, quality, and value. If you stick with it for 6 to 12 months, stay consistent, and keep improving your content, the results can be life-changing, turning your channel into a long-term source of income and freedom. 2. Print on demand. Imagine selling t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and posters without ever touching inventory or dealing with shipping. That's print on demand, and it's revolutionizing how people start retail businesses online. Here's how it works. You create designs, upload them to platforms like Printful, Guten, or Printify, and they handle everything else. When someone orders your design on a shirt, the company prints it, packs it, and ships it directly to your customer. You earn by keeping the profit margin. The startup costs are minimal, sometimes just the price of design software, hiring a freelance designer, or you can do it yourself. Popular niches include motivational quotes, entertaining clips, pet content, lifestyle hobbies, and trending topics. The key is finding underserved markets. Instead of competing with millions of generic designs, target specific communities. Think funny accounting jokes or dog grooming puns rather than broad categories. Research trending topics, seasonal events, or emerging subcultures. Success requires understanding your audience and creating designs they actually want to wear or use. It's not about creating what you think looks cool, but what solves a problem or expresses something your target market cares about. 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping gets a bad reputation because many people approach it wrong, but done correctly, it's a legitimate business model that can generate substantial income. The concept is simple. You set up an online store, market products, and when customers order, your supplier ships directly to them. You never handle physical inventory. The profit comes from the difference between what you charge customers and what you pay suppliers. The game has changed significantly. Successful dropshippers today focus on building real brands around specific niches rather than just pushing random products. They invest in quality customer service, create engaging content, and build genuine relationships with their audience. Product research is crucial. Look for items with good profit margins, reliable suppliers, and growing demand. Tools like Google Trends, Facebook Audience Insights, or TikTok can reveal what people are currently excited about. Many successful dropshippers start by solving problems they personally experienced. Marketing is where most beginners struggle. You need to understand paid advertising on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. This requires budget for testing and learning. Expect to spend money before you make money, but the potential returns can be massive. 4. Professional freelancing. Freelancing has evolved far beyond simple gig work. Today's successful freelancers are building legitimate consulting businesses and charging premium rates for specialized skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are just starting points. The real money comes from developing expertise in high-value skills like digital marketing, web development, copywriting, video editing, or business consulting. Clients pay top dollar for results, not just completed tasks. The secret is positioning yourself as a specialist rather than a generalist. Instead of offering social media management, offer Instagram growth strategies for fitness coaches. This specificity allows you to charge higher rates and attract better clients. Building a strong portfolio and gathering testimonials is essential. Start with competitive pricing to gain experience and reviews, then gradually increase your rates as you prove your value. Many freelancers eventually transition to retainer clients, creating predictable monthly income. Success requires treating freelancing like a business. That means professional communication, meeting deadlines, exceeding expectations, and continuously improving your skills. The freelancers earning 6 figures annually aren't just skilled, they're reliable business partners. 5. Strategic investing. Investing isn't just for Wall Street professionals anymore. With modern apps and platforms, anyone can start building wealth through strategic investments, but education is absolutely critical. Traditional stock market investing through index funds remains one of the most reliable long-term wealth builders. Dollar cost averaging into diversified funds has created millionaires from ordinary salaries over decades. Apps like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Fidelity make this accessible to beginners. Cryptocurrency represents higher risk but also higher reward opportunities. While it is volatile and speculative, strategic investments in established cryptocurrencies have generated substantial returns for patient investors. The key is never investing more than you can afford to lose and understanding the technology behind your investments. Real estate investment trusts allow you to invest in property markets without buying physical real estate. Many REITs pay steady dividends while potentially appreciating in value. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul make real estate investing accessible with small amounts. The most important rule: educate yourself before investing anything. Read books, follow reputable financial educators, and understand that all investments carry risk. Never invest based on tips or get-rich-quick schemes. 6. AI income streams. Artificial intelligence tools are creating entirely new income opportunities for those who learn to leverage them effectively. Content creation has been revolutionized by AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai help freelancers produce high-quality content faster than ever. Smart freelancers use AI to handle research and first drafts, then add human creativity and expertise to deliver superior results. AI art generation through platforms like Midjourney or DALL-E allows creators to produce unique designs for print-on-demand, marketing materials, or digital products. The key is learning effective prompting techniques and understanding how to refine AI outputs. Voice cloning and video generation tools enable creators to produce content in multiple languages or styles. Some entrepreneurs use AI to create educational content, audiobooks, or marketing videos at scale. The opportunity lies in combining AI efficiency with human creativity and strategy. Those who master this combination can deliver better results faster than traditional methods, commanding premium prices in the marketplace. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning commissions on sales. Done correctly, it's one of the most scalable online business models. The foundation is building trust with an audience. Whether through YouTube, blogging, social media, or email marketing, successful affiliates provide genuine value before making recommendations. They review products, share experiences, and help their audience make informed decisions. Choosing the right products is crucial. Focus on items you personally use or believe in within niches you understand. High-ticket items often offer larger commissions, but they require more trust and expertise to sell effectively. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Creating helpful tutorials, honest reviews, or educational content positions you as a trusted advisor rather than a pushy salesperson. This approach builds long-term relationships and recurring income. Many successful affiliates diversify across multiple products and platforms. They might promote software through YouTube, physical products through blogs, and courses through email marketing. This diversification creates multiple income streams and reduces risk. 8. Digital product empire. Creating and selling digital products offers incredible profit margins because there are no physical production costs or shipping requirements. Online courses represent huge opportunities. If you have expertise in any area, from cooking to coding to personal development, you can create comprehensive training programs. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi provide everything needed to build and sell courses. Ebooks and guides serve audiences seeking specific solutions. The key is identifying problems your target market faces and creating detailed solutions. Successful digital product creators often start by surveying their audience to understand exactly what they need. Templates, presets, and tools serve creative professionals and business owners. Photographers sell Lightroom presets, designers sell Canva templates, and marketers sell email sequences or social media calendars. The beauty of digital products is scalability. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. This creates the potential for truly passive income streams. 9. Online coaching. The coaching industry has exploded as more people seek personalized guidance in achieving their goals. Life coaching, business coaching, fitness coaching, and specialized consulting are all thriving online. The key is developing genuine expertise and a proven system for helping people achieve specific results. Successful coaches often start by helping people for free or low cost to develop their methodology and gather testimonials. They document their processes, refine their approaches, and gradually increase their prices as they prove their value. Technology makes coaching more accessible than ever. Video calls, course platforms, and community tools allow coaches to serve clients globally and create group programs that scale their impact. The most successful coaches combine one-on-one services with digital products and group programs. This creates multiple income levels and serves clients with different budgets and needs. 10. Gaming and streaming. The gaming industry offers diverse income streams beyond just playing games. Live streaming on platforms like Twitch or YouTube Gaming allows gamers to monetize their skills and personality. Revenue comes from subscriptions, donations, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Building a successful stream requires consistency, entertainment value, and community engagement. Competitive gaming and esports offer prize money and sponsorship opportunities for skilled players. Even amateur competitions provide earning potential for dedicated gamers. Game testing, content creation around gaming, and coaching other players represent additional income streams. Many successful gaming entrepreneurs combine multiple approaches to maximize their earnings. The key is treating gaming as a business rather than just entertainment. This means consistent schedules, professional presentation, and strategic growth planning. So there you have it, 10 of the most popular ways to make money online in 2025. Remember, this was just the overview. Each method will get its own one or more dedicated videos where I'll break down the exact steps you need to take. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Because the truth is, online income is not a dream, it's a skill. And this series will teach you how to build it.